Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, corporate chef for the United Family. There's been a lot of questions on how to keep my turkey from drying out. The number one key to that is not to overcook your turkey. At this point, if you'd like, you can brine the turkey. This gives it more moisture. A lot of turkeys on the market are already injected with brine. This natural, organic turkey is not injected with anything, so I'd probably brine this. To brine the turkey, you take kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt per 5 pounds of turkey, mixed with 1 cup of water, cold water. You want to keep it in the brine for at least 24 hours before cooking. Also, to keep the turkey from drying out, we're cooking it breast side down to allow all the juices to flow into the breast while it cooks for the first 2 hours. So what I've done here is I pre-cooked my turkey 2 days ahead of time. You can cook it up to 3 days ahead of time, properly chill it, and then a day or two before, go ahead and cut it and break it into sections like I did here into a shallow roasting pan. As you can see, I have my white meat, my wings here, my breast meat here, dark meat and dark legs right here. So it's all separated, ready to serve. Now at this point, if you'd like to add a little moisture to it, you can see this is very moist, but if you want to add a little more moisture, you can use a turkey broth, a chicken bone broth that adds a lot of moisture while you're cooking. So again, we would just put foil over the top of this, put it in the oven about 350 degrees, and it only take about 30-35 minutes to heat up. Thanks for watching. For more holiday tips, check out our website.